Today I'll share with you how to make vitamin C, natural vitamin C. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let's make this citrus fruit juice. Citrus juice contains a lot of vitamins, minerals, and the antioxidants that help to protect against heart diseases and support your immune system. The water content in it can also help to keep you hydrated and prevent dehydration. It aids digestion, promotes weight loss, enhances your complexion, and make your skin glow. So let me share with you how to make this. Tangelo. I have tangerines. I have oranges, but my oranges are small oranges. I have oranges here. I have this tangerine too. This one is a different species. I have this one's different species of tangerine. I have lime. I'm using 3 limes. I have limes. Then I have lemon. This is lemon. Forget the look of this lemon. Forget it. But these are original lemon. These ones are tangerines. I have different tangerines. And I have different oranges here. Then I have grape. I'm using grape for this. So these are 5 different citrus: oranges, grapes, tangerine, lemon, lime, and this. This and this, well, they are in the same species but different type. This is tangelo. Tangelo. I have these ones called tangelo. So I've washed this. I've washed all of them. I've washed them with salt and enough clean water. So the next we are going to do is to cut and peel it. We're done peeling all of them. So we have our oranges, we have our tangerine, tangerine, our lime and the lime and the lemon. And then we have our grapefruit. This grapefruit is very sweet. I love it. So the next we're going to do now is to juice. So we start juicing it. I'll start with the orange. You need to mix this one so that all of them can join together. Cheers. Mm. Mm. It's so good. So good. You need to try this. You need to try this. You need to try this. It's so refreshing. It's so good. Ooh. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.